Hi kitty cats! So today I'm going to do my, I had to think about what month it was, my March boxycharm. And March isn't usually my favorite month for anything. It's a really icky time in my life. My dad died when I was young, and it happened the day before St. Patrick's Day, which I now call Irish Day, because to my dad, that's all it was really about. Sorry for sniffing. My nose is not doing so great. My allergies, because I'm a fool, and I have guinea pigs, and I'm allergic to hay. And I'm constantly touching hay to give to them, like 2 or 3 times a day, when I should wear gloves when I do it, and a mask, and I don't, and I'm foolish about it. So then I end up with my eyes and my nose watering and stuff, and anyways, you don't want to know about all that. What was I talking about before that? Oh, more depressing things, like my dad dying. The thing is, it happened when I was really young, when I was a teenager, and that's, you know, that I miss him, but so on and so forth. But Irish Day, as I like to call it now, because that was what it meant to my dad, was just celebrating being Irish, and he was really proud of being Irish, or having Irish heritage is more like it. And so I just call it like Happy Irish Day, and I always wear green. I had green nail polish on to make him happy.
Let's pinch each other because none of us were wearing.
Apparently, Bianca and her fiance pinched each other because neither one of them wore green.
No, I didn't pinch Alex that
your hair's
hard
blue, but it sort of has a greenish tinge to it.
I was
You could have gotten away with that.
But I didn't want to be that person to be like, because look, you know.
And check out my daughter's Instagram if you can. Lots of cool pictures on there of her.
Advertising my Instagram.
I do advertise your Instagram actually pretty often. Either on my YouTube or on my Instagram. Usually on my Instagram.
Probably because only recently I've actually been uploading pictures.
But she does upload pictures. And do you have any pictures of your new hair?
Yeah.
Because she just dyed her hair again, and it's really vibrant.
In fact, Alex literally, like, I overslept. Alex woke me. He's like, listen, person that, like, takes pictures in the middle of night.
So this is the boxycharm card this month. So, doing a boxycharm. And my daughter's taking stuff out of there. Could you please bring that to me?
But it's cute.
Because I don't know. It's not like Ipsy where I see ahead of time. I don't know what I'm getting. I never, like... So,
I like those headphones where you don't know what you're getting.
I got the avocado hydrating eye mask. It's cute. We love avocado stuff too, so.
I want to get an avocado plushie.
Yeah, I wanted the Elf had made some avocado applicating sponges, and they're adorable, and I really wanted to get a couple, one for me and one for Bianca, but they were sold out by the time, and they sold out fast. They sold out really fast.
I'm not saying that Elf does, but I know other companies sell ones that are shaped like peaches and other fruit, and it's so cute.
This is from the Beauty Crop, and it is usually about $18. But they're eye masks, so I think cute eye masks are always nice to get, and I love the packaging. Very cute. What else do we got here? We've got Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Now, y'all know I have not done well with banana things in the past, but lately I have tried a few banana things that actually worked out for me. Hopefully this will too. But in the past, when I've tried out masks that had banana in them, my skin did not react well. In fact, my skin would be burning. Okay, this isn't working. I need the X-Acto knife, which is what I should have used in the first place, like a normal person would.
Mom?
Shut up, Bianca.
No, I'm saying
What?
I'm gonna eat the tomatoes, cause...
Okay. Yeah, he didn't pick. I had a bad Instacart shopper. Doesn't usually happen to me. I usually have good ones. This is the first time where I really gave a bad review. I still tip them though, because I believe in tipping no matter what. Because whether somebody does a shitty job or not doesn't mean they don't deserve to get paid. And they're pretty much living off those tips, so. But I did give a bad review of it. Because it was just not good. And I have friends that are Instacart and DoorDash shoppers. So I know what it's like, but this was really bad, like what they did. So this doesn't smell like banana. Or it doesn't to me. Which is a good sign that it won't be like horrible. It's a moisture cream. The packaging is very nice. It's heavy and just really, it's cute. Like, I think it's cute. What is the price on this? It is $39. 40 bucks for moisture cream. I mean, this amount seems small to me though for 40 bucks, but I mean, we'll see how it goes. I'm just trying to smell it again because I'm crazy. Don't mind me. Just being a crazy person. I wanted to like break this down for my recycling. There we go. Because we recycle. And I like to break everything down properly. Alright, on to the next thing, right? So, what do we got here? We've got lip oil. I'm not a lip oil person. I'm not a fan of lip oil. I used to like, what was that nail polish company? They made lip oils and I liked them. But it was the only time I ever liked a lip oil. I can't believe I've forgotten their name. Remember, it was a nail polish company and they had a subscription service, and then they stopped having their subscription service thing, and it just kind of, I just stopped buying from them.
Nail polish?
No, this is lip oil. What was that nail polish company that I used to get a box every month?
Julep?
Julep, yes, that was it. Julep made lip oil besides nail polish. They made great lipstick too.
Sadly, we had to throw all of our juleps because they all went bad.
Yeah, they finally like just got really icky. But this is the lip oil. Why am I don't know. I don't really even want to try it because I'm probably just gonna give it to Bianca here.
The second person that rarely uses lip oil.
There is a box full of stuff on your desk, by the way, that's stuff for you to go through and decide if you want or not.
Okay.
So.
Some of it might end up with Alex.
That's fine too. I don't care if Alex takes some of it.
Because I mean, we can't ask Jade to come over.
Cab Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. That's what that was. And it's $20 lip oil. Lip oils don't do anything for me. Sorry if that disappoints anyone. So we have this. Oh, yes. This. I love getting a setting spray because I'm always like running out of them. Setting spray. I'm pretty sure I'm getting setting spray in my Ipsy too. I don't know. This is Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. Makeup setting spray. I don't know if I like rose because rose sometimes smells too grandma, depending on how strong it is. How much is this? Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. $22. I guess it's not. Of course it doesn't want to work for me, right? Okay, very fine mist once it gets going. But the first like squirt was not a good one. But then after that, it was a fine mist. But the first one kind of like big droplets hit me. I don't know why. I guess because it hadn't been used yet or some reason. I I smell the rose water, but only slightly, so it's doable. It's not grandma scented. So now I have two. I had a coconut. I used e.l.f. coconut setting spray earlier. So now I've got like 2 setting sprays. Breaking down the boxes. Believe it or not, the people that take our recycling away, which is the town's recycling, if you don't have every single little thing broken down, they won't take it. I'm serious. Like even small stuff like this, it must all be broken down, or they have a hissy fit. And we shred all our paper to go in there so that they don't give us a hard time. So, last thing is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. I don't know how to feel about this. I stayed away from Lime Crime for a long time because I'd heard bad things about the owner. So I never tried it. But I've heard that things have changed in the company, but I don't know that much about it, so I can't really give any... Look, I even break down plastic. So I'm not sure. But I'm happy to try this. It's very pretty. I've always liked the packaging. When I looked at Lime Crime stuff from like afar, I've always thought the packaging was really nice. This is definitely very pretty. Very pretty colors. I definitely will do some nice looks from this. And soon, because you know I like to give you guys a look with whatever eyeshadow palette and whatnots that I get. This was like half skincare. Right? Because I gave Bianca the lip oil. Yeah, it was like half skincare, half makeup stuff. I mean, lip oil could be considered like kind of skincare, but it's also kind of makeup, so I don't know. So, yeah, it's about half and half because the setting mist is a makeup thing. And then you've got moisturizer and some eye patch stuff. So, I liked last month's better. I'll just be really honest. I liked last month's box better, but this still was a really good box. I like that they sent me setting spray. I'm very interested in seeing how this moisture cream works, and I love avocado things. I'm gonna try out the Lime Crime. I have heard that their makeup is good, so you know, I just had stayed away from it because I heard bad things about the owner. But I mean, I want to try it out and see how it goes. I don't remember. I'd heard that the company was doing better now. It is a cruelty-free and vegan product, which is a nice thing. So, and this is pretty. I mean, it's very pretty. No doubt of that. But thank you all for watching, and I hope you liked this video, and see you soon, right? Like, see you soon. Be safe. Make sure to share and all that stuff. Okay, bye kitty cats. Mwah.